What we've discovered now in the past year, traveling around with the Cloud Sprinter Van, is that this has become an incredible educational tool. One of the most common conversations we have as we visit customers in the field is the topic of pressure. Typically, we find customers are using transfer pumps that have very low pressure and are not designed to run a tank cleaning machine. The Sprinter Van is outfitted with a pressure gauge that we can use to put in line and test your pumps on site. Usually what we find running the pressure gauge in line at your facility is that your transfer pumps are providing really low pressure, somewhere in the neighborhood of maybe 40 psi, and running a tank cleaning machine requires about 100 psi is what we like to see. We do find many customers have maintenance shops and they do take care of their own equipment. However, we also have customers that don't have the time or the wherewithal to maintain their equipment. The Sprinter Van is completely stocked up to do rebuilds from top to bottom, whether it's the simplest repairs or complete overhauls. The Sprinter Van is set up to help you with that. Another amazing aspect of our Sprinter program is the ability to do on-site demos of our equipment and our pumps. There's nothing like seeing our equipment and pumps run at your facility and your tanks where it matters the most.